Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering up and positioning gear. Plug the A50 base into power and make sure the headset battery is above 50% so you avoid interruptions. Once done, insert the USB-C adapter into the A50 base station's USB-A port. This creates the wireless link to the adapter. Make sure the adapter is visible and that the Ps5 will accept an external wireless audio device. Now move to the console side and prepare the Ps5 front USB port for the adapter. With the adapter physically in the Ps5 USB port, you'll pair the headset to the base station. Power the A50 headset and press the base station's pairing button. You should see LED feedback indicating a link. On the Ps5, navigate to Settings, Sound, and choose the USB headset or Astro adapter as the output device so game audio routes correctly. If audio defaults wrong, toggle between USB ports and reselect the adapter to force the console to recognize the device. Finish by adjusting chat versus game balance on the A50 base so levels are comfortable, and check volume on both the headset and Ps5. Make sure you update firmware using Astro Command Center on a computer to eliminate compatibility issues. If you encounter no audio or intermittent drops, reseat the USB adapter, try a different USB port, power cycle the Ps5 and base, then repair. This resolves most link problems. If problems continue, test the headset on another device to isolate hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.